Back in the day when computer technology was new, it was apparent to many business leaders that the old, labor-intensive ways of doing things would eventually be replaced by machines and programs running parts of the day-to-day work. So the story was of revolutionary change rather than incremental. Hours of manual work became minutes or seconds using computers. But development eventually made even the most expensive supercomputer obsolete. For instance, the moon landing was orchestrated using computer power equal to what is in this calculator today. So businesses had to upgrade, reinvest. Every few years, it was time for new hardware and software uplift, a habit that still sticks in the cultural fabric of some IT department today when looking at enterprise software. But that practice is itself becoming obsolete. Today, technology development happens daily. Keeping track of what has improved is very difficult, and large IT systems are no exception. Every day, we at IFS make hundreds of tweaks to the code that make our solutions better for our customers. Some of them make the system faster. Others take out hours of work that users would rather spend elsewhere. That sounds good on paper, but many of our business processes are still rigid and rigged for large, cumbersome updates now and then, with little change in between. Now is the time to shift that mentality to something new, to always improving, always changing. This is Evergreen to us. Evergreen is about taking away the pain of massive ad hoc upgrade, sure, but it's also a new attitude towards technology where improvements happen steadily all the time. It's about leveraging new tech and functionality as a way of doing business and always staying ahead of the competition. In order for this to work, there must be trust. Trust from the customer towards IFS that we do the right tweaks that work well within the processes that the customer uses. Trust from IFS towards the customers that they will help guide our product development in the right direction. That mutual trust is the base plate for our own shift towards Evergreen. In IFS Cloud, Evergreen is a standard. With its open APIs, making interfaces with external systems far easier to implement and more efficient to run, Evergreen allows IFS to react and push out the necessary updates, allowing customers to quickly adapt to future technology and requirements in their digital transformation journey. Customers can now use currently available technologies such as advanced pattern recognition, machine learning, to postpone preventive maintenance. In many cases, the equipment can run much longer than the recommended calendar and cycle-driven timeframes, which means less downtime and maintenance hours, as well as avoiding unnecessary opening of a piece of equipment that can sometimes lead to self-imposed casualties or degradation due to technicians' errors. So remember, Evergreen isn't a question about how to host a solution or which upgrades to apply. It's a mindset towards innovation that helps you capture the moment of service. And IFS is here to help you on that journey, one small step at a time.